So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can auto load the music when you start speaking on your videos directly in Premiere Pro. You don't need to do it manually. All you need to do is to just simply select the audio track that select the track that contains the music. For example, this one, this is the music. Now click on window option right there and enable the essential sounds. And in this essential sound section, just simply go to this option that is ducking right there, enable it, and here you need to select the duck against the clip that contains this audio like feature, and here set the values to almost 6, sensitivity to almost 6, and duck amount to almost -18, that is the recommended value. And once you do these settings, I would recommend you to do the fade a little bit less. And now once you do these settings, you're good to go. Now if you check the audio, whenever you start speaking something, the music will automatically get slower. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.